Bitboy Crypto is dead, but Ben Armstrong has started on his own separate path. What has happened to the Bitboy brand and why is it called DiscoverCrypto? Let's find out in today's video. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Crypto Chain. My name is Claudio. Today's video will be a bit different than I usually do, just to spice things up a bit rather than just talk about Polkadot or Cosmos. Now, Ben Armstrong, previously known as Bitboy Crypto, has been fired from the BJ Investment Holdings company due to some internal conflict, including a claim stating that he's been taking drugs. But Ben has proven on X through the BenCoin X profile that this isn't the case by publicly posting a health check report. Now, Ben had also joined an audio conversation in the BenCoin Telegram group, explaining the situation.
Look, here's the deal, guys. There's a lot that I can't say right now. I wish I could come in here and tell you guys exactly what's going on and tell you exactly what the future is probably going to look like, but unfortunately, right now I can't. And you guys know one thing about me. You know I'm a fighter, and this is going to be far from over. There are going to be a lot of things that are going to happen in the coming days, and you know, all I can tell you guys is, you know, stick with me. You guys are here because of me. Obviously, the company is going to make $0 without me. All of our major sponsors have already pulled out. So they don't really have a choice here. They don't really have a choice.
Ben has since started a new YouTube channel under the name Ben Armstrong and plans to set up a studio to do videos, but says that they won't be of the same quality in terms of editing and effects as they were when he worked for Bitboy Crypto. So he's starting fresh. Now, Ben also got a lot of support from large crypto influencers who have supported his comeback in various X posts, thus growing his new independent brand. Now let's watch a short clip where Ben talks about what he plans on doing.
So I finally got the okay to start live streaming on the channel. YouTube has given me permission. It looks like we're going to start our all-out assault on building this channel probably on Tuesday. I've got some stuff Monday. I've got some equipment I've ordered. I've got some things that I need to do to get my setup where I want it to be. And we're not going with high production value, obviously. We're going to be, you know, it's not going to be low production value. I mean, we're going to be doing the best that we can to give you guys a quality product. That's what I always cared about. You know, just to catch you guys up a little bit, Bitboy is dead. I'm Ben Armstrong. Bitboy is dead. Don't call me Bitboy anymore. There's still some discussions going on with, you know, potentially having some mediation in a few weeks. Potentially from their side, so the Hit Network side. So, you know, it's been a hard process along the way, but at the end of the day, like, I'm ready to fight for my new channel. I don't want to fight for the old. I want to fight for the new channel. That's what I'm going to do.
What's interesting since this happened is that although most of the people commenting under the video stated that Bitboy Crypto will be dead without Ben, their channel is doing very well with over 1.44 million subscribers. Given the high quality content produced, it isn't likely to lose many followers in my opinion. We obviously can't know exactly what happened and who's at fault, but nevertheless, it's a bit of a shocking turn of event in the crypto industry because everyone in crypto had heard of Bitboy Crypto at some point in the last number of years. Some hated him, some loved him, and some were neutral. I've even had Ben on my channel on 3 different occasions, and I was on his as well.
So I'm going to kick it off with Kusama. Kusama is very, very important simply because you could think of it like the sister network of Polkadot. It's basically a whole ecosystem, just like Polkadot, where parachains could be deployed to. However, it is considered the experimental network or the test network of Polkadot.
In terms of decentralized platforms for dApps and things like that, which are EOS, Tron, and Ethereum, and yet they never include Neo. I never see it compared to Neo, and so interested to kind of get into that, figure out, you know, what separates Neo from these other projects. And, you know, a lot of people want to know, is it dead? So
it's really weird how all these issues start unfolding during bear markets, and especially a terrible one such as the 2023 one had been so far, testing our patience and our hodl power. Now, what's your opinion of the Ben Armstrong situation? Will you be watching Ben Armstrong or DiscoverCrypto, or both? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. That's it for today's short video. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.